Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna be showing you what we did to fix this issue with the power seats not working. This is on a Mercedes SLK 230. It's gonna be the compressor, and it's the convertible one. So the issue we're having is the power seat's not working, so it wasn't moving. So we did check and the heating wasn't working, like nothing from the seats were working. The heating also wasn't working on neither side. Okay. So one of the main things that we checked all the fuses were okay, and then we needed to check the relay. So the relay ended up being inside this. We had to remove this cover. There's some screws down there, and then you remove this, and then you also remove this cover on the side, and there's gonna be some screws where you can like take this out just a little bit, yeah, so you can reach to the fuse box in there. So right behind it you'll see the relay that controls the power seats. I'm gonna leave the relay code on the screen and a picture so you guys can see it. And then on that relay we open it up, and on the pins that are all connected, there's like a few solderings where just the solder was not connected, so there wasn't any, so it wasn't making any contact. So the ground pin wasn't making pretty much, like, we measured it and there was no ground. So I'm gonna show you here next on the video what we did. We added more soldering on the pin, so that helped to close the ground. So we had the full continuity from the ground going to the car all the way into the relay. And then I put it back, we put it back, and the seat started working. So now I don't want to speak anymore, so I'm going to show you what we did here. Okay, so we're having an issue with the seats, power seats not working, and we checked the relay and it looks like the connection it needs more soldering. So we're gonna make sure that it's good, it looks good like the other points, and then we're gonna put it back and see if it works. Now to remove that relay we have to take out all this, and then that relay goes, I think it goes behind somewhere back here. Let's see. We got a bunch of connections here. We did check all the fuses and they all seem okay. The power seats, the fuse for the power seats seem good. So if it's not the relay, it's gonna be the module. But it seemed like the relay needed some more soldering on that connection. What, Toby?
Entonces, así. ¡Andan, culiado!
Ah, vamos. Hey, muy bien, muy bien. We got the seats working.
Mirá.
So it ended up being the relay. Man, good. So far we got the rooftop fixed, the seats, everything. It's almost ready. What else?
Both windows.
We got both windows.
Size.
Yeah, that's with the module. So yeah,
Check engine.
we gotta check engine.
No, we already took that.
Oh, but it came back, right?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
it's like, I don't know. I'm gonna take it out.
We're gonna run it again and see what. Good. So far, so good.